Work smarter, safer, and more accurately with Woodpeckers Knuckle Clamps on your drill press, workbench, or homemade jigs. The distinctive shape of Woodpeckers Knuckle Clamps gives you the flexibility to clamp material from wafer thin to over 2 1/4 inches. Just snap the pivot into the position that matches your material best. The pivoting feet have a non-slip sole that grips your material but won't dent or scratch it. Where the knuckle clamp design really shines is in setting up for repetitive work. You can lock the position of the knuckle clamp in the T-track so it's always right where you need it. Using the closest knuckle, clamp your work down, then bring the height knob up and compress the spring. When you release the clamp, the pad will hover just above your piece, making it simple to slide the next piece in place. Whether you're using power tools, the drill press, or delicate hand tools, you'll switch from one workpiece to the next smoother and faster than ever. While we designed the knuckle clamp as an accessory to our T-track, all you really need to use one is a 1/4 inch hole. When you're building jigs, you can position the knuckle clamp anywhere you want it with any 1/4-20 hex head or carriage bolt. And if you don't have a vise in your shop, we've put together a kit that gives you secure work holding at an affordable price. The knuckle clamp kit uses a piece of our heavy-duty super track and an angle bracket to give you versatile clamping capacity on any workbench. You can choose to secure the angled brackets with either our DP track, which is sold separately, or by simply attaching it directly to your bench top with the holes in the bracket. Wherever you need a secure, safe grip on your work, knuckle clamps can handle the job. Order yours today.